Hello and welcome to Math Therapy. It's another day with simultaneous equation. Today we are using substitution for solving. We go straight into it. In substitution, all you need to do is to make one of the variables the subject of the formula. Once you do, it becomes easy to solve as you substitute back to one of the equations and you find your answer. Let's dive into it. The first question says x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 3. So we write that out as equation 1 and 2. This is going to be x plus y equals 7. We call this equation I. The next one is this, which is x minus y equals 3. We call this equation I. That is second equation. Now we can see from I above, make either y or x. For me, I'll choose y. Make y the subject. So if I'm making y the subject, this becomes x plus y equals 7. We take s this way, so it becomes y equals 7 minus x as it goes across the equality sign. So we call this equation 3. So what we say now is put 3 into 2. That is this equation. So anywhere we see y in this equation, we are going to substitute it for 7 minus x. So this becomes, let me say this way. So this becomes, or equation 2 now becomes, we write that first as x minus y equals 3. Then we are substituting this for y. So this becomes x minus into 7 minus x equals to 3. So we expand the bracket with this minus outside. So this becomes x minus 7 plus x is equal to 3. So we collect like terms, this and this. So this becomes x plus x minus 7 is equal to 3. So the coefficient of x here is 1, the coefficient of x here is 1. So if we add them, we get 2x minus 7 is equal to 3. 7 is like terms with 3 since 7 is a constant. So we take it this way too. So this becomes 2x equals 3 plus 7. It's negative, we are going across the equality sign, makes it to become positive. So in this case, we now have 2x equals 10. So we say, let me come this way, divide both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of x, so that we can isolate x. So this becomes 2x over 2 equals 10 over 2. So 2 cancels out here. This implies that x is equal to 5. So we now say solve x equals 5 into equation 3 that we found. Here is equation 3, where y is equal to 7 minus x. But since what we are looking for is y, not y mixed with another variable, and we already found s, so all we do here is to substitute the value of x, which is 5, for x here. So this is y equals 7 minus x. Now becomes y equals 7 minus 5. which implies that y is equal to 2. So, for this equation, x is 5 and y is 2 for 1. So for equation 2, or for the second equation, we have 3x plus y equals 8 and 4x minus y equals 2. You can always rewind the video to check out this I've already solved. So for now, I'll wipe this off so I can solve the second. And you can also leave your questions on the comment section, if any. Here we go. We have 3x plus y equals 8. We call this equation 1. We have 4x minus 3y equals 2. We call it equation 2. So here I say the same thing. From I above, make y the subject. So if I'm making y the subject here, I rewrite this as 3x plus y equals 8. I take this to this side. Positive becomes negative going there. So y is equal to 8 minus 3x. We call this equation 3. So all I'm doing now is to substitute this for equation 2. So I will lift the whole of this to represent this y. So for x minus 3y equals 2, we say solve y equals 8 minus 3x. So this becomes 4x minus 3 into y is this, 8 minus 3x equals 2. So we expand the bracket. This is 4x minus 3 times 8 is 24. Minus times minus is plus. So this will give us 9x equals 2. We collect like terms. So this is 4x plus 9x minus 24 equals 2. Okay? So we add this to this. This is 13x minus 24 equals 2. We take this to this side. So this is 13x equals 2 plus 24, going across the equality sign. So this is 13x equals 26. Okay? So now we divide both sides. Divide both sides by 13, which is the coefficient of x, to isolate x. So this is 13 over 13 equals 26 over 13. So this cancels out. This implies that x is equal to 2. As 26 divided by 13 gives us 2. Now we substitute. We say put x equals 2 in 3. This is 3. So this is y equals 8 minus 3x. Since we are representing or replacing x with 2, y is now equal to 8 minus 3 into 2. So y is equal to 8 minus 6. Expanding the sum. If we subtract 6 from this, we have that y is equal to 2. And that is our answer. So do like this video, share, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in my next class.